The most frequent questions we get in our office are, can I protect my assets from probate, taxes, and long-term care costs? The answer to these questions is yes. Yes, you can protect your estate from all of these things. Hi, I'm Skipton Reynolds with Skipton Law, your estate planning and elder law firm. I'd like to personally invite you to one of our free upcoming educational workshops so that you can learn the answers to those questions and other questions like, do I need a will? What's a trust? What's the difference between a trust and a will? How do I avoid probate? How do I protect my estate from long-term care and nursing costs? How important a power of attorney really is? And what do I do if I already have a loved one in care? Space is limited, so please click below on the link and sign up for our workshop so that we can assist you and your family in answering the questions that are important for you. We look forward to seeing you soon.